Anyone that will summon you this season, that you will be in the hospital, today I command that sickness to disappear. What is it? Thou are highly what? Favored. That's good news. This season, I say good news will locate you. Amen. Pray as a prophet. By the force of heaven, as the angels visited Mary this season, good news will remember you. They will remember your children. They will remember your home. They will remember your business. They will remember the work of your hands. No one here is permitted to die before Christmas. I hear you, sir. I hear the Lord said to me, everyone with an heavy heart, cry day and night, are weeping, prophesy. I command your tears to turn to testimony. I decree upon your head, upon your hands, anything good that will make you to be happy in this season of Christmas, that it will come.